No basic song. Yeah. I'ma buy a mansion for my mama when I finally make it. Take on my vacation. Hey Stush Gang, welcome or welcome back to another Slay with Stushy. So today I'll be showing you guys how to achieve the soft glam look using drugstore products, but today my mom will be doing my voiceover, so my mic wasn't connected when filming, but I knew y'all needed to see this look, so I figured why not have my mom guide you guys through today's beat. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend. And with that being said, take it away, twin.
Oh, hi Stush Gang. I think I'm here to look at this video and say something nice. She's showing us something that looks like, oh, brows. So that looks like a brow pencil. And she's marking her eyebrows. Definition, I see. Lines. Oh, fast, fast, fast. Okay. Marking in the brows. Oh, both brows are done. And that looks like some color. Oh, defining the brows. Okay, perfect. L'Oreal. More color on the eyes. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, look at palettes. Eye palettes. Blue. Eye palettes gray. Oh, more palettes. Oh, more palettes. More colors. All right, she has decided on the color. And she's cutting her crease or something. Some crease involved. Brown at the corner. Artist at work, adding colors and layering colors. If you like this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Oh, gray. She has decided to use the gray as well. Let's see. Oh, that's white. White and a half. Oh, okay. Mixing color or blending color. Something, something. Getting there. And this would be her foundation. Two different colors. One brighter than the other. One soft, I think, or warm. I'm not too sure. Leave it to the beauty people. The blending sponge thingy. Okay, pat, pat, pat. Aggressive patting. Blending, blending, and aggressive patting. And more color. Oh, she's mixing the colors now. Interesting. Trying to find the perfect color, I guess. Look like contouring now, with the lines and the darker color and more patting and more blending and the contouring. The under eyes now and more color. Homegirl is blending and working. Okay, there seems to be some more contour, darker contour. Oh Lord. Oh, that looks like a contour, probably a special brush. Oh, and we're back to the sponge. She's hiding some of the forehead. And more powder. Dead people powder. All right. More powder. And more powder. More contouring. Face is finally coming together. Oh, the nose. Straightening the nose. Defining the nose. Oh, that looks like blush. If you like this video, please subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. More color. Trying to decide which color. Oh, that's to highlight the cheekbones and then the eye bone. Oh, and the nose tip. And the lips. I thought the eyes were done. Apparently not. Defining the eyes. Oh, lashes. Mascara. And this, oh, lip liner. So I guess lipstick comes after this. I saw eyes before, now we're at lips. I'm confused. Oh, lip gloss. There we go. Soft lips. Pink. Beautiful lips. Don't forget to purse the lips. And that would be some setting spray. Alrighty then. I think the face is done. Oh, lashes! She's applying her Capriel NYC lashes with her Capriel tweezers using her Capriel NYC mirror. I need a lesson in applying lashes. And the lashes are on. And the lashes are done. And I think we're at slow-mo. Here trying to look cute. Okay, I see you. You got an A-.
Thank you so much for helping me with today's video, twin. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Drop a cute comment down below for my twin. She really tried for today's video and I truly appreciate her for that. And also let me know if you guys would like more tutorials using all drugstore products. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before heading out. I love you guys and I'll see you guys all in the next upload. Bye guys.
Bye guys.